Welcome to Car Vibes. Today we take a journey back in time to explore a rare and intriguing machine, the 1970 Volkswagen Amarok Pickup. While the Amarok as we know it today didn't officially arrive until decades later, imagining a 1970 version brings together the simplicity and charm of vintage Volkswagen engineering with the rugged practicality of a pickup. This classic-inspired Amarok would carry the soul of the Beetle and the Type 2 transporter, fused with the functionality of a compact utility vehicle designed for work and everyday life. The exterior design would have embodied the boxy, no-nonsense styling of the era, with flat body panels, round sealed beam headlights, and a narrow grille that paid homage to Volkswagen's air-cooled lineage. The front end would have likely featured a minimalist steel bumper and a compact hood line, with the VW badge standing proud in the center. The fenders would be slightly flared, not for aesthetics but to accommodate basic steel wheels with tall, narrow tires suited for mixed terrain. The proportions would be small by modern standards, but perfectly sized for maneuverability on tight urban roads or country trails. Along the sides, the truck bed would be modest but functional, with stamped metal panels and a drop-down tailgate. A side step or optional canopy could have been available for added utility. At the rear, simple round taillights, a stamped steel bumper, and exposed hinges and latches complete the utilitarian theme, all coated in basic but durable paint colors like faded green, beige, or baby blue. Inside the cabin, the 1970 Amarok Pickup would reflect the era's Spartan charm. The dashboard would be flat and metal, painted the same color as the body, with a basic analog speedometer, fuel gauge, and perhaps a warning light or two. A small two-spoke steering wheel would be positioned close to the driver, and ventilation would come through manually operated sliders. No air conditioning, no digital displays, and certainly no infotainment, just a simple AM radio, manual window cranks, and basic seats covered in vinyl. Seating would be a bench or split bench layout, capable of fitting 2 or 3 passengers depending on the configuration. Legroom would be tight but adequate, and visibility would be excellent thanks to the upright windshield and large side windows. Under the hood, or more accurately, in the rear or beneath the bed depending on how Volkswagen chose to package it, the powertrain would likely be an air-cooled flat-4 engine. This classic engine, similar to those found in the Beetle and Combi, would produce somewhere around 50 horsepower. It would be paired with a 4-speed manual gearbox, sending power to the rear wheels. While not fast by any means, it would be reliable, easy to repair, and economical to run. Acceleration would be slow, with 0 to 60 taking over 20 seconds, but top speed could reach around 70 miles per hour, making it suitable for rural and city roads alike. Its strength would lie in simplicity and durability rather than performance. Handling would be light and easy at low speeds thanks to the compact dimensions, though braking distances would be long due to drum brakes on all 4 corners. Suspension would be soft and forgiving over rough roads, and load carrying capacity would be modest, enough for tools, supplies, or farming equipment. It wouldn't be designed to tow heavy trailers but could manage basic hauling duties without complaint. In terms of pricing, if such a vehicle had existed in 1970, it would have likely been priced competitively to appeal to small business owners, farmers, and tradespeople. Adjusted for inflation, a price tag around $2,000 to $2,500 back then would equate to approximately $15,000 to $20,000 in today's terms. That would make it a practical and affordable choice for its time. The 1970 Volkswagen Amarok Pickup, though fictional, would have embodied everything that made vintage VW vehicles so beloved: simplicity, utility, and charm. It's a reminder that sometimes less is more, and that even in an age of high-tech trucks and digital dashboards, there's still something undeniably appealing about going back to the basics.